A Solitaire cache tax form that refuses to load is usually an app, connection, account, or document loading issue. So the fastest fix is to work through those causes in order. By the end, you'll know what to check before contacting Solitaire cache support and what information to include if the form still won't open. First, completely close Solitaire cache and reopen it. Don't just minimize the app. On Android, open recent apps and swipe Solitaire cache away, then launch it again. On iPhone, open the app switcher and remove Solitaire cache before reopening it. Next, check your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to Wi-Fi, and try loading the tax form again. A connection can be strong enough for normal gameplay while still failing when the app tries to retrieve a separate document or account page. If the form still doesn't load, check whether Solitaire cache has an update available in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. An outdated app can cause problems with account pages and other features that depend on the current version. The next step is to restart your phone. This clears temporary app and system processes that can interfere with loading a form. If you're using Android, you can also clear Solitaire cache through your phone's app settings. Clear the cache only, not the app storage or data, because deleting app data can remove locally stored information and may require you to sign in again. On iPhone, there isn't a standard clear cache button for individual apps. If restarting and updating don't help, you can check whether reinstalling Solitaire cache is appropriate for your account before doing it. If the tax form opens but stays blank, loads indefinitely, or shows an error after these steps, the problem may be on Solitaire cache's side rather than your phone. In that situation, avoid repeatedly submitting the same request and contact Solitaire cache support. When contacting support, include your account information, the exact tax form screen you're trying to open, your phone type, your operating system version, and the exact error message if one appears. A screenshot can also help support identify the problem faster. So, the key fixes are simple. Restart Solitaire cache, test another connection, update the app, restart your device, and use the appropriate cache or reinstall option for your platform. If the form still won't load after that, contact support with the exact error and device details. Try those steps in order, and if this fixed the tax form problem, like the video and subscribe for more Solitaire cache fixes.